Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MetaTrader 5 MT5. MetaTrader 5 MT5 is a trading platform primarily used for Forex and CFD trading. It's aimed at individual traders and institutions, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for technical analysis, automated trading, and order management. Key features include charting tools, technical indicators, algorithmic trading capabilities, expert advisors, and a marketplace for trading robots and indicators. Their website provides details on pricing and features, which are generally transparent. MT5 itself is free to use, although brokers may charge fees for trading. The platform boasts a powerful charting engine and a wide range of analytical tools, making it competitive in the market. Availability is global, accessible via a downloadable application. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MetaTrader 5. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The download and installation process was quick, and the initial setup was intuitive. Navigating the interface took a bit of time, but once I got the hang of it, I found it quite efficient. I particularly appreciated the extensive charting capabilities. The customizable indicators and timeframes were excellent for my technical analysis. I spent a good amount of time using the automated trading features, expert advisors, which, while initially intimidating, ultimately proved very powerful once I understood the code and settings. The platform's performance was consistently reliable throughout my testing period. I never experienced any significant lag or crashes. I did have one minor issue, a question about order placement, which their support team addressed promptly via email, within 24 hours. I was really impressed by the depth of the platform's functionality and the sheer number of indicators available. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve. The platform is packed with features, and it takes time to master them all. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with MetaTrader 5. While it has a learning curve, the power and flexibility it offers make it a worthwhile tool for serious traders. That's my overview of MetaTrader 5. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.